Hi, I'm Sarah Smith, and I'm going to talk to you about marketing at Xometry. The first thing I do when I start my day here at Xometry is check in on communications that might have come in from other teams. I look at messages from sales, from product, from our content team, from design colleagues, checking to find out the status of tickets that we have open and projects that we're working on. I check my email too, of course, to find out company updates and any motions that have come in from sales as they pertain to the customers that I help serve. And then finally, making sure that the team is up to date on any projects that I have outstanding and tickets that I'm working on. We work really cross-collaboratively here at Xometry, so staying informed and making sure I'm responding to everyone and sharing updates in real time is really important. The marketing team here at Xometry is made up of a team of real specialists. Everyone is an expert in what they work on specifically, from content creators to performance marketers to product marketers who liaise with our product team, to designers and customer marketers as well, and demand gen specialists and everybody in between. It's really important that each one of us owns and runs our own book of business as it pertains to the messaging that we're putting out for prospective and current customers, as well as making sure that the infrastructure we have internally stays up to date. We work closely in collaboration with each other. We use our project management system to stay in touch, and it's great to see the results come together from such a diverse and specialized team. To best serve our Xometry customers, I educate and empower our customer audience. That can mean everything from creating guides about the processes that we do here, whether it's CNC machining or injection molding or 3D printing, to hosting webinars where we're really empowering our Xometry audience to learn from internal and external experts, to gathering feedback from our partner network. So that means reviews and testimonials and working with sales to make sure that our Xometry partners have the best experience working with us possible. To learn more about what's going on at Xometry and keep up with us, follow us on LinkedIn.